everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 2nd to the 5th of May 2022 on Monday. Shreya refuses Nirupa's request to do the seat hand ritual along with the rocker. Jason worries she's making a big mistake. At the Bengo house, Nkululeko and Nokuzola fight over access to the baby. Phakathi Eastern when Mzwandile arrives with more men looking for work on Tuesday. Things get out of hand at the Phakathi house as much as he tries. Phakathi fails to get the man to leave his property and he eventually calls his children to handle the matter. At the Bengo house, Bongile find out about the baby's paternity but swears secrecy to Nokuzola on Wednesday. Nirupa is excited about Tu sharing his birthday. Tu, on the other hand, doesn't want any birthday celebrations. Mazulu advises Tulele and Zagi to step back from the matter of the guest for now. Meanwhile, in Mbumbulu, Sebenzile accidentally confirms the rumors of guests to the church ladies on Thursday. The 40th-year anniversary church celebration is disrupted when Nkululeko told the congregation about the guests under the land and Phakathi's refusal to allow the drilling. The community is up in arms on and at the Rempasat, Shreya keeps her decision to convert to Catholicism for Jason a secret from her family. She and Jason consult a Brahmin who tells them that their marriage will spell disaster on Friday. Shreya takes a modern stance and refuses to marry a tree. Tushaleni shows up at Msamo looking like $1 million. Mrs. Price confronts Shreya and Nirupa about the prediction that Jason is going to die. At Umbumbulu, Phakathi and his family rush outside the church has been set alight. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.